nTask is a project management platform that enables your teams to plan, manage, analyze, and collaborate everyday tasks faster than ever. Let's get started with the dashboards, the home to all your workspaces. Customize all workspaces into projects, company departments, or even clients. Plan projects, create and allocate tasks, make to-do lists, while assigning roles to all the team members. Track everything and set priorities with due dates. Collaborate with your team and visualize your work data in different views. With Kanban boards, visually see work at various stages, using cards to represent work items and columns to represent each stage of the process. Gantt charts provide key insights into all tasks in your projects. Never second-guess your decisions when you make task dependencies with nTask Gantt charts. Set milestones, track budget, and see the profit with real-time financial summary. Want to get organized? Meet nTask Project Planner. Plan everything to a T and never let anything slip. nTask gives you all the tools to complete your projects successfully. Integrates nTask with all the tools you already use: emails, calendar, meeting apps, and many more. All your information easily accessible on one platform. nTask enables teams to accomplish more. Sign up today or visit our website, www.ntaskmanager.com. nTask. Do it right.